What's up guys? Welcome back to Money Grow, the channel all about making your money grow. This is the 8th episode of my 100K wheel strategy portfolio. I'm filming this video on Thursday, November 12th after market close. It's been 52 days since I started trading in this account on September 21st, 2020. My net account value, if I were to liquidate my account and buy back all my open positions today, is $102,984.35. And the cash balance of the account, which counts all the cash collateral that I used to open my positions plus cash that I received from premiums, is currently at $103,692.35. I made 3 trades since my last episode, and I'm excited to share the progress with you guys. Before we continue, I just want to give a quick shout out to my amazing Patreon supporters, our standalone Crow CEO, Jorge Ledesma, and our 4 Crow investors, Prismatic, Erica, Andrew Paz, and John Harden. Thank you all so much for your continued support. If you're new to the channel, if you guys want to be notified immediately after I make a trade, consider supporting the channel on Patreon. I'll have all the information listed on there. Link is down below. Another easy way to help out the channel is by clicking my 3 different referral links so we can both get free stocks and free cash. For a limited time, Webull is giving away 2 free stocks, and One Finance is giving away $10 in cash, and Robinhood is giving away a free stock like Apple or Facebook or many others when you sign up. All those links are in my description. Thank you guys. So let's jump right back into my portfolio. I started this account 52 days ago with a clean 100K, and you can see I now have a cash balance of $103,692.35. That excess amount is all premium I collected from running the wheel option selling strategy. Now, if you have no idea what that means, please watch my explanation video. I'll attach a card right here so you can click and watch. This is the spreadsheet that my friend made for me, which helps me track a ton of useful information. I'll leave it on the screen for a few seconds, but please feel free to pause the video if you'd like to look at it more thoroughly. I've also left a link to it in the description so you can make a copy of it and download it for your own use. And don't worry, it's completely free. However, if you want access to this exact version on the screen that I update in real time, I'm granting viewing access to all my level 8 and up Patreon supporters. So if that's something you think you'd be interested in, please consider supporting the channel on Patreon. Thank you guys again. This is the front page of my Webull account where you can see all my open positions. And again, I'm recording this video on Thursday, November 12th after the market closed. I'm currently using $48,850 of my available cash balance as collateral. Last week and this week have been pretty insane in terms of market volatility, and I've decided to be patient in opening new positions. But I have been able to take advantage of the rise in the market in order to close out some older positions for really great profits. I already have my eye on many stocks that I'm ready to pounce on as soon as we see a nice red day and fully deploy the remaining $48,000 cash balance. If you guys enjoy this type of content, I would really appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much. Let's continue where we left off the last episode. We're now on update 58 from my Patreon updates. So update 58 is WFC Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo was up over 12% on the day I closed out my contracts, which is a massive uptick, and I felt like there was no point to continue holding my position. That tremendous rise in price that day presented a really nice opportunity to close out my contracts at really good profits. In update number 40, I sold to open 4 puts for 41 each, or 164 total premium. I was able to buy to close all 4 of those for only $6 each, $24 total. I held those contracts for 26 days before closing them out. I explained my thought process for choosing Wells Fargo and an analysis of their financials in episode 4 of this 100K portfolio series. Update 59, AT&T. AT&T was up 3% on the day I closed out my contracts. Based on how cheap it was to buy back my contracts, I had a similar thought process that I did with closing Wells Fargo in update 58. In update 34, I sold to open 3 puts for $51 each, 153 total premium. I was able to buy to close all 3 for only $5 each, 15 total, after holding for 33 days. If you're interested in seeing my thought process for choosing AT&T and an analysis of their financials, please watch episode 3 of my series. Update number 60 is KR Kroger. Kroger has greatly underperformed the overall market over the past 5 years. I sold puts on them before in update 31 with a strike price of $32. Since they've still been lagging behind, they're now at an even more attractive price, and I was able to collect very decent premium at this lower $30 strike price. I sold 5 puts for $72 each and collected $360 in total premium. I've now sold a total of 8 puts on Kroger. I like limiting myself to dedicating a maximum of 25% of my total cash balance toward one specific stock at any given time. So based on that, I won't be opening any more contracts on Kroger unless I close out the older ones first. If we add up all 8 of those puts, I'm currently using a total of $24,600 cash as collateral for those Kroger puts. That translates to a 23.72% utilization rate of my total cash balance. I explained my thought process for choosing Kroger and an analysis of their financials in episode 3. So today was a relatively short episode. Those were all 3 trades I made since last episode. Like I said before, I have some big moves planned for the coming week and hope to be using the majority of my cash balance by the time next week's update comes out. So stay tuned for next episode. I hope you guys enjoyed my 8th portfolio update with a bunch of great trades. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please comment down below. I'll be reading all of them. Remember to follow all my trades on Patreon and get your free stocks in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching until the very end. I hope you'll be back for future videos. And as always, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and comment. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.